Namibia and Brazil's relations date back to the pre-independence era when founding President Sam Nujoma visited Brazil in 1987 to garner support for Namibia's struggle for self-determination. Since independence, the two countries continue to strengthen ties, particularly in naval and marine training. More than 1,200 Namibian sailors and naval officers have received training in Brazil, while over 1,400 Marines have been trained in Namibia. Minister of International Relations and Trade, Selma Shipala-Musavi, has invited Brazilian companies to explore new areas of cooperation between the two nations.
Between Namibia and Brazil and the wider SADC and Mercosur regions, it's our firm intention to capitalize on this advantage and to work closely with our Brazilian counterparts to stimulate increased volumes on this route, stimulated by increased investment and business exchanges. As you know, Honorable Minister, Namibia has made significant discoveries in oil and gas and renewable energy in the form of green hydrogen. In this regard, we extend a strong invitation to the Brazilian private sector to explore the opportunities available within Namibia's growing manufacturing industry.
Brazil's Minister of Foreign Affairs has reaffirmed his country's commitment to strengthening bilateral cooperation with Namibia. Mauro Vieira highlighted Brazil's readiness to provide technical assistance in agriculture, while also expressing the willingness of Brazilian companies to explore opportunities in the oil and gas sector.
Brazil can contribute to the food security of the Namibian population by providing safe, affordable, and nutritious food products. Of great interest as well is the development of the oil and gas sector in Namibia. The wealth generated by the oil industry creates opportunities for our countries to foster economic growth, create jobs, promote social inclusion, and finance the transition to low-carbon economies. That is the reason why Petrobras, the Brazilian oil company, has returned to Namibia. We hope that the negotiations between our respective companies will bear fruit and contribute to the development of the well-being of our peoples.
Vieira and his delegation also visited the Heroes' Acre, where they laid wreaths at the mausoleums of the late President Hage Geingob and founding President Sam Nujoma.